Hi guys, my name is Yana and I'm making this video today for my friend Justin Moscovitz. Today I got myself a little turtle and she's so small that I placed on my palm, and I was told that she grows up to 30 centimeters and live about 30 years. I have no idea where I will keep her then. Perhaps she will be grow like a dog in my house, but as yet I need to get to her a terrarium for the beginning. But now I tell you about flat roof repair. If you got questions, leave us a comment, or better yet, visit our website at http howtofixaroofleak.com. So, flat roofs are roofs that are horizontal but usually incorporate a slight slope in order to drain off rainwater from the roof into the gutters. A flat roof is not deemed appropriate where there is heavy rain or snowfall. This particular roof type requires weather protection and careful waterproofing. Most flat roofs are built using tar and layers of roofing felt, whereas others are constructed entirely of concrete. One may stumble upon leaks in specific areas more often than not in low spots or areas with damaged felt. In contrast to other roof types, flat roof damages are easily identifiable. In most serious set of circumstances, one might find blisters around the area that has been damaged. They can use a knife or a sharp object to slice open the blisters and allow the water to drain. Once the felt has been dried completely, one should apply a generous amount of cement over the edges of the damaged felt, after which one should firmly press down the sides of the blisters. And lastly, in order to finish the job, one can seal and close up the blisters with the help of roofing nails and reapply the roofing cement over the entire area. So thanks so much for watching my video, and don't forget that we've got a lot more content on our website at http howtofixaroofleak.com. And I honestly look forward to seeing you soon, answering all your questions, and appreciate any feedback you can give me. So have a good day, more smile. I love you all guys so much. Bye bye.